I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
What's poppin', savages? It's your girl Ashley. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for coming and watching today's video. I would love for you to subscribe. Click right down here to subscribe to the channel and to my OG Ride or Die Savage subscribers. Thank you for coming back and rocking with your girl on today's video. So, as suggested by the title, as anticipated, I think it was anticipated, today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on all of the products that I showed you guys in the haul video that I did recently. So I picked up a lot of products from Ulta, a couple from another drugstore, and I just shared all of that with you guys. And I told you guys in that video that I would be doing a whole separate video on the first impressions of all of the products that I purchased. So this is the final look of all the products. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and my thoughts on all of the new products, then just keep on watching. So some of these products are products I've never used. Some of these products are like tools that I've used before but just needed new ones of. So this video is just going to be a first impressions on the products I haven't used, and then me just showing you guys the other products and just creating a whole look. So for primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. I'm excited to use this because I've used the other putty primer, the poreless one, and it's pretty nice. But I'm really excited about this. I want to see if this really combats my oils and my T-zone. So I'm probably going to put this everywhere, but I'm going to mostly focus it on my T-zone. It does give me a little bit of a white cast, but I don't think it will affect my foundation. It feels a lot like the poreless one, but you can tell that it has like matte like properties. So I'm excited to see how my makeup holds with this primer. As of late, I've been doing my eyebrows before my makeup, and I don't want to do them on camera for you guys because I need to do an eyebrow tutorial. So I'm gonna do those off camera and then come back. Okay, so my eyebrows are partially done. I did use this pencil, the kohl liner from Wet n Wild. That was also in my haul in some form or fashion for my eyebrows. But I'm going to take this e.l.f. angled Eyebrow Duo brush, and I'm just going to comb through my brows. Just kind of make sure they're shaped how I want. This brush was also in the haul. I'm just trying to really incorporate every single thing. So the tools are not really important, but I do still want to incorporate them since they were in the haul video. I typically would use this angled side, like to do some type of eyebrow stuff, but that's just not part of my routine right now. So I'm just going to use the end of this to carve out underneath and above my brows. Okay, so brows are done. I'm not like the happiest with them, but they will do for today. So primer's on. We're gonna go into foundation. I didn't pick up a new foundation, so I'm just gonna use an old foundation. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I have a full review on it. I got a lot of good feedback on that video, so go check it out. I'll have it in the card section up here for you guys. So check that out. We're going to be using this. It's in the shade 530, which I believe is Deep Amber. To blend it out, I'm going to use my Real Techniques, what is it called? Miracle Face and Body Sponge. So, I love this sponge. Like, I'm so glad I picked it back up. But just look at that. It covers so much surface area at one time. Thank you. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to start doing, like, I thought about doing wear test Wednesdays where I do wear tests for not just foundations, other products as well, but just like a review type of thing. And if y'all have any requests for certain foundations y'all want me to try, let me know, or other products, let me know, and I'll see if I can pick those up, or if I already have them, and I'll do full reviews for y'all. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. So you guys, I just recently posted a foundation, a dewy foundation video. So that'll also be in the cards for you to check out. Oh, I have a new powder. I almost used the powder that I usually use, but I forgot that I have a new under eye powder. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Deep Dark baking powder. We shall see what that does under the eyes, if I can get this little sticker off of it. The only thing I hate about these Makeup Revolution packages is that like this little ass container, like how am I supposed to get a lot of product how am I supposed to pick a lot of product? Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand before I play myself because this might be too dark to go under my eyes. I'm just gonna, oh. That's kinda ashy. I just swatched it on the back of my hand right here. It's a little ashy, so I don't know if I'm gonna even like this powder. I have to do first impressions. I gotta show y'all what's really up with it, so I'm gonna actually just take my airspun cap. I just cleaned it out and I'm gonna pour it in here because I need a lot of powder to set under my eyes. Okay. So open it out one more time. So I got it on here. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this powder. I feel like it's not really brightening anything right now. It's just setting in. It might be too dark. Yeah, it's looking like it's a little too dark. I'm going to go over this with the lighter powder because so it looks like a nice setting powder, but it's not brightening at all. So after I do this, I'm probably gonna go back in with a brightening powder and get up under these eyes because I just want to look more awake. But it's not terrible. The finish looks nice so far. So I'm gonna go in with the powder I usually use under my eyes. It's the shade 30 Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And I'm just gonna take this right directly under my eyes just to brighten that up a little bit. So it just brightened me up a little bit. I didn't go too heavy with that powder at all because I never do. So far, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really liking how this is looking. Typically at this point of the makeup routine, I would be putting like my face powder all over my face. But this powder that I just used, to me is a good shade. I don't think I need to go on with my foundation powder to like bring any more color to my face or anything like that. So I'm just taking this. I'm gonna do this as well. My battery is about to die. And then I'm gonna go in with bronzer, contour, blush, and all of that good stuff. So this is the Makeup Revolution palette by Patricia Bright. And I'm gonna take this contour powder and just go into the hollows of my cheekbones to create that illusion. Oh my God, we love a good contour. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, hold on. Yes, baby. Oh my God. Yes. This one's not too dark. Like I feel comfortable like just, you know, going in with this. Wow, I love that. I'm only gonna go into the hollows of my cheeks because it is contour. I don't like to take my contour powder in my cheeks. And just make sure that's real blended. Wow, snatched. And bronze by Morphe. Looks like this. We're gonna see if it's red enough for my skin. Oh my god, yes, this is perfect. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. I feel like I can see it. So, take this, you know, up here. Oh my god, love this. Absolutely love it. This bronzer is everything. Like, I can really go in and not be overdoing it just yet. And I'm gonna take this down here as well. Like, y'all, I really feel like, oh, this looks so good. I'm sorry if y'all hear music outside. You know, the gangsters and the thugs be outside just banging. I'm just playing. Next, I'm gonna blush. Out of the same Patricia Bright palette, I'm gonna take the blush. I'm using the same brush. You know, I don't ever like change brushes when I'm doing any of these steps. It looks like a plum blush. Oh, I like this. Oh my gosh, I love this. Like, this is a perfect blush for dark skin. Like, I love it. I always use like a pinkier blush, but like this plum, I'm liking too. Oh, I hope I'm not doing too much. And then we're gonna highlight also with this same palette. If I can hurry up before my battery dies. So I'm gonna take this highlighter. Oh my god, it's really gold. I like that. So I went off camera and did some eyeliner. This side looks really good. This side looks really bad. But anyways, I did that off camera because it wasn't a product that I had in my haul. So there was no need to do like a first impression on it. So now I think I'm going to set my face and then I'm going to go in with lashes. Yeah. So I'm going to use the Peaches and Cream Fixing Spray by I Love Revolution. See how it works. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. I don't particularly like the spray. I wish it was more of a mist where like it hit more areas at one time. That way I don't have to spray as much product, but that's just the way it was working. I do like to press in my setting spray so that it looks more like skin. Oh my gosh, lovely. We've got some lashes to try. The Kiss Lashes from their Naked Drama line in the style Chiffon. So lashes are on. They're so cute, but until I need to blend my natural lashes, so I'm using the mascara from Essence that I also had in the haul. It's the Volume Mascara. Really fits the curvature of my lashes, so that's good. Next product. So we're gonna use this pencil. It's a Tattoo Studio sharpenable gel pencil. Use it in my waterline. Before I do that though, I can already feel my eyes starting to water, so we're gonna just get rid of that first. I look like a doll. What? Alright, and then I'm just gonna go with some more of this mascara on the lower lash line. I feel like I'm really turning into a whole catfish right now. Mayday, mayday. Upward mission. I need to do my lips, so y'all know I did buy a lip gloss from Essence right here. I have been using it, so it won't be like a first impressions of this one, but it's just a clear gloss, so I will say that it is not sticky, and it feels really moisturizing. So I'll take my Wet n Wild pencil and line my lips. It does not. I'm actually about to add this brown because this is sort of too dark like that. Wow, I feel so cute. I feel like grown and sexy. Yeah? I think I'm getting all those vibes. Grown and sexy. I'm just kidding. So as far as like all the products that I used in today's video, I love all of them. I didn't think I was gonna like the powder, but I like it. I feel like it gives me like the natural, like it covers my under eye, but giving me like a natural full coverage, flawless type of feel, in comparison to like the lighter powders that I use that brighten me up and kind of make me look different. So I feel like I just enhanced my beauty. I look like an African queen. So let me know down below what you guys think in the comments about the look and about the products, and let me know if you have any requests as far as other reviews and stuff you want me to do. I'm gonna make my lip a little bit more nude. Here, that's better. Alright, anyways, let me get up out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like it, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe right here, click the bell notification icon so that you're updated every time I upload a new video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, savages.